Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain that what is Trello. If you are a beginner and want to use Trello, then this is the video for you. Also I'm going to explain that how you have to work in Trello. So Trello is basically a management kind of tool. If you're an entrepreneur or you work with clients, obviously you want to make the proper management of the task, or even not for clients, for your own business. You want to make the proper arrangement of the task that you are doing, and for that you need a project management tool. So this is a kind of project management tool, and whenever you will login thing is as simple as that. You just go to the Google, type Trello, login, and then you will get to see this thing. Now this is the main home and I want to create a new board for my business. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to this plus option over here, and you have to click and you have to create board. Okay, now in the board I'm gonna use no team and I'm gonna use my name. uh, okay, and I'm creating a board. So this is my board, I have created it. Also, if you want to change the background, if you're not liking it or you want to just give it a kind of color, I can do that as well. It's completely depend upon me. But if I want to do something kind of photos, you can just go ahead and you can choose the pictures whatever you're liking, right? So you can choose whatever you like. So for now I'm just gonna give it a color, and I think it's good. Yeah, so that's all. My board is set up and now I have to start working. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to this option that is add a list. When I'm clicking on the add a list, I can create like my client task. Okay, and I'm gonna create add list. So this add list, this list is added, and now you can choose something, another title over here. For example, my personal tasks, my business tasks. Okay, so that's all. That's This is how you have to create the list, like the titles, that what it's all about. Okay, now I'm done with it and I have to now add more cards to this particular task. Right now I have to just click on the option add a card, and then I can create a title for this card, like for example first client work, or the name of your client, whatever. Add task, now it's done, and now I have to include more information in this particular work. So what I will do is I will click over here just once, and then I will get into another board where I will be asked to enter the description and the activities. So for example, I have to add description like uh, to the Insta marketing. So this is my client's work and I will save it. Okay, now it's done and I have to include the details, right? Also for the Insta marketing, if I have to attach something, anything, like something like my PDF or any doc file or any Google Drive thing or anything from Dropbox, any picture, any video, I can do it. Or I can just attach any link over here. I can just attach from Google Drive, from my computer, from the Dropbox, OneDrive, and etc, etc, etc. So it's a whole lot of option over here that you can attach all your drives or your files over here. You can also create a checklist, for example checklist for client or anything else. So this is how I have created the checklist. Now after creating the checklist, I can ask something from my clients like allow me, like for example social media access, right? Next, branded brand colors, add brand pictures, add, then company logo, add your testimonials, add. So for example, this is the checklist for client. Like for example, if you have started working with your client as an insta marketer, as a social media manager, and these are the things that you need from your client, you can simply add it, like giving a checklist from here, and you can do these things. And whenever your client is getting here, you will simply click that okay, this is done, and it will be cross-checked, right? Okay, it's done, it's done, it's done, it's done. So the checklist is all, and here you can see that is 5 out of 5 is done. That means the work has been completed, right? And whenever it is not completed, just 4 out of 5, right? So this is a very great way. And similarly, if you are using it for client, the client can use it for you too as well, right? They can give you some task, for example do the engagement, send the emails, give me the report, blah blah blah, and they can give you a checklist for the whole week, and you can just go ahead, you can complete the task, you can attach the attachments and everything else. It's so easy, so I will say so efficient. You don't have to go to the emails and write them email like okay, you haven't given me brand colors yet, okay, you don't have given me the access of their social media. No, it's all at one place. This is the best project management tool, free thing. Obviously it is free, and I love it. Also you can create labels like such kind of thing, or this whatever. So if you are using this, you can just create a new label as well. So it completely depends upon you. Also you can create a due date, right? So if a client is setting the task for you, they can create a due date that okay, I am starting on 25th 10 at 2:44, and I want uh, it like I want it to be like on 30 at this time, and I want to set the reminder like uh, 1 day before or 2 day before, and I will save. Okay, so you can see that the due date is there, and it is also can be seen here October 30. So this is the due date, and 1 day before it will give you a reminder as well. Okay, also you can add members. I am the member here. I will in the later part of the video I will show you how to add members, so stick with it. And if you're liking it, all the information, please subscribe, like, share my channel to everyone else. So yeah, now cover, obviously you can change the cover as you want, like something like this or blah blah blah, but I don't like doing it. Also if you want to add some kind of picture over here and you want to set the cover, you can do it. You can upload a picture as a cover photo. Completely depends upon you. So right now I'm not doing it, so I will just simply remove it. Also you can make templates. Obviously you can just create templates from here, and you can use it later on, but I'm not doing it, so delete it. Oh sorry, I deleted all the tasks. So I hope you got to understand that what I was trying to do over here. right? Similarly for the personal task as well, I will go ahead and I will write my to-do list, and that's all. Then again I will go here and I will discuss like this month prior business tasks. Okay, I will save it. Similarly, create slides for clients and blah blah blah. Similarly, you can add comment, etc. Obviously, if you are using the checklist, you can just mention your client over here that okay, this work is done, and they will be notified and they can just come ahead, they can check it out. And obviously, if you don't want to see them, like if the work is done, everything is done, and you don't want this mess around here, you can simply archive it. Go ahead, and this card is archived. Simple, right? And if you want to watch it, you can watch it. Easy. So I hope I have explained all. Now moving, yeah. If you want to move it to some kind of another thing, another destination, you can do that as well. If you want to share it, you can share the link clearly with your client, completely like directly, and there's no mess around. So yeah, this is very easy and great, I would say. So yeah, now how you will add members here? Simply you can just go ahead and you can invite people from here. You can just add to team, and you can just choose any team over here, or you can create a new team and you can add people over here. Also, if you want to like, if you want to keep it personal, obviously this will be personal, but if you want to add something else, you can create here team here, you can invite. So it's so easy and peasy to do that. What else do we have here? Obviously this is upgrade thing, so you cannot do it in the free version, I guess. In the calendar section over here, you can just go ahead and you can choose the calendar. So, and see, it's so pretty over here, right? So in the, we notice your card have due date, so we have enabled the calendar power up to let your team visualize them in a calendar view. So all the due dates, all the things, all the working reminders will be shown up here, and it will be easy for you to track all your tasks at one place, right? You can check it in a case of weekly, you can check it in a case of monthly. In the settings also, you can just synchronize it and you're good to go. Also the menu option is here. What else do we have? uh, Butler option. So yeah, butler option is something which automates your actions. Okay, so whatever you are doing the action, it will get performed. Whatever the task is being performed, it will automate it. Okay, so for that obviously there is a need to have the activity. So there is a lot of activities, so it is not doing it, but it is a great way to keep the things organized according to the activities, like for Monday, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, and it will organize according to the due dates, according to the your activity, according to the calendar, and it will do that. So here rules, you can just take it out, you can just go ahead and you can watch it, every rules that they have. You have just have to play around with it so you can understand that what this thing is all about. So yeah, I hope I explained everything, and this is so cool. I will say I have used a whole lot of Trello boards. Obviously I use it now as well for my clients, and it's good to go. Just check it out, do it for your own business, for your client business, and I hope you like it video. And if you liked it, please hit subscribe, like, share the video, and I will see you soon.